commercial baking, and I'm here with Jorge Zarate, the chair for IBIE 2025. And let's take the show floor, shall we?
Yeah, let's hit the floor.
Yeah, let's take a walk.
Hey.
So we are finally here at IBIE 2025. You and your committee have been putting a lot of work into this. So what does it mean to reach this moment, which is opening day?
No, definitely. The committee has worked very hard. 3 years is what it takes us to prepare this show. Right away, when we finished the 2022, 3 years back, we started with the planning of this one, and has been very intense work. The good thing, the beauty of this is we have a great team of volunteers, people from the industry, BIMA colleagues, and also IBIE colleagues.
Yes.
But also we have a great staff that is helping us, vendors that are acting as the same team and part of our commitment. So it's wonderful to reach this point at this time with this great team.
Absolutely, and you have a big group that you've been working with to make this event happen. So from 2022 to 2025, it's been 3 years of work.
Yeah.
So how did you and the planning committee approach this year's event to make sure that bakers get the most out of their experience here today?
Well, that is part also the beauty of having a hybrid or mixed committee. So we do have bakers, as myself, in that one, and we express our experience being attendees, but also acquiring equipment from different vendors. So by explaining that needs, that is part of our strategic planning. And we do a strategic plan so we can cover everything that we think is what the people is needing. The other important part is our marketing team also gather for us all the information related with what the people is experiencing the show. So what are their do's and don'ts? What are the things that they think can be improved? Which are the things that they really like it? And with all that information, that we craft the changes that we do every cycle. And every cycle we do changes in order to have a successful one, having the solution of ideas that the attendees have when they come to hit the floor.
Absolutely. And in addition to having over 1 million square feet of show floor for exhibitors to showcase how they can support bakers, one of the major changes this year is IBIE Educate being included in registration. And as you mentioned in your opening ceremony speech, there are more than 250 different sessions, workshops, and demos that bakers and attendees can indulge in. So why was it so important to invest in education for IBIE 2025?
Well, definitely. The world has changed, as everybody knows. And we have challenges on the side of the talent.
Yeah.
This industry has grown continuously, but has the ideas of what the people is looking for has changed. So there's a change of a generation again, because has happened every change of a generation, and now we have to find a way to give training and new trends and new information that the industry has grown, but also has developed more technology, more knowledge, and it has to be shared. There's no many commercial training, official trainings in the market, and I think IBIE is one of the best tools the bakers have to send their people to know new trends and new technologies coming from vendors, coming from ingredient suppliers, but also universities and so on, as happened. So we think it's very important so we can craft the future talent for our industry.
Absolutely.
Basically.
And Alan Wright, during his opening speech as well, he gave a nice tribute to you for your experience in the industry and all the work that you have done to support and elevate bakers throughout your career. So how did you use that tenure and that experience to help transform what this year's event looks like?
Well, of course, everybody as a baker that comes here comes with ideas in their mind. They have problems they want to solve. They have a demand that they haven't been able to cover, and they want to find the best way to cover that demand. But also there's some new solutions that they don't know that they're going to find here. But by walking and talking with suppliers and other bakers, actually, but with the networking, they find new things of an innovation, not just talking about product, but also the way we produce. So this, I would say, that is a success picture of having a baker here walking the 3 days, 4 days our floor, not just the IBIE Educate, but also talking with and networking with all the people that is here. Definitely, when a baker comes here, they solve what they are looking for, but also they are bringing new ideas they didn't know they were looking for.
Yeah.
So that's the beauty of this.
Absolutely.
Everything under the same roof.
Mm-hmm. It's incredible to see all together, and I am so excited to see how the rest of the show folds out. Jorge, muchísimas gracias por todo el esfuerzo que has hecho para este show y espero que puedas disfrutar el éxito de este evento.
Ya lo estoy disfrutando, Ani. Es un placer ver a la gente contenta, ansiosa por ir a conectar con los proveedores, con otros panaderos. Y pues bueno, esto es lo que hace nuestra industria más grande y más fuerte.
Sí,
te agradezco muchísimo.
gracias.
Muchas gracias, Ani.
Muchas gracias.